I've been deprived, both me and my daughter will be deprived of grave injustice if this is not allowed, my lords.
Actually,
With a lot of pain, I have to submit that there are a lot of been inconsistencies in what he's submitting. To start with, I have been deprived of my child visitation from the age the daughter was 1 year, 4 months old. Now the daughter will be 8 years old in another 10 days. 25th, 26th is her birthday. 8th year. Yes, my lord. 8th year birthday.
My lord,
if you look at my
I do not have any
submissions,
objections.
please.
Impossible. Since 7 years, he has not seen the kid's face.
I've never got visitation, my lord. This is what I wanted to
And
bring to your
7 years, he has not even paid a single rupee to the kid, school fee.
My lords, this is the pain that I have. If I may please allowed to submit.
in the-
I would appreciate if you lords not allow her family members to be a part of it.
Members are not.
Because I'll tell you the reality. What happened is when I went to meet the kid in a
There are
hall,
I may be permitted to file reply to these
the
main petitions. I will file reply to the main petitions, my lords. 2 weeks time may be granted.
my lords, wakalat was filed on 21/11/2023. There has been an inordinate delay. Even in my GWC case, they have taken 482 days for filing objections. In the last date, they file objections by recalling the stage and filing objections. I've been deprived, both me and my daughter will be deprived of grave injustice if this is not allowed, my lords.
Actually, the thing is, my lords, in the family court matter, this GNWC case and MC case was referred for mediation. For mediation, it was around 6 months. In the mediation proceedings, it was pending. So we were going for the settlement, but unfortunately, settlement was not happened. Now I have to come and file my objections regarding that. And moreover, my lords, in this matter, criminal miscellaneous, since 7 years, he has not paid a single rupee to the child. He has not taken care of proper amenities of the child, my lords, and he has not paid the school fees. Since 7 years, my lords, it's around nearly 7 lakhs is pending. He has not paid the maintenance. Maintenance was ordered in the year 2018. Since then, only 65,000 rupees has been paid by him. And later onwards, since 7 years, he has neither bothered to see the kid.
My lord,
happened-
with a lot of pain, I have to submit that there are a lot of been inconsistencies in what he's submitting. To start with, the mediation was 4 months and 22 days, not more than that. I have been deprived of my child visitation from the age the daughter was 1 year, 4 months old. Now the daughter will be 8 years old in another 10 days. 25th, 26th is her birthday. 8th year. Yes, my lord. 8th year birthday.
My lord,
If you look at my
I do not have any
submissions,
objections.
please. I have made partial payments. The court has
for visiting, depriving his rights of visitation, my lords. But the thing is, he needs, without the supervision of mother, that is completely impossible.
my lords,
What
if
is
you,
supervision of?
Without supervision of the mother, that is completely impossible. Since 7 years, he has not seen the kid's face.
I've never got visitation, my lord. This is what I wanted to bring
And
to your
7 years, he has not even paid a single rupee to the kid, school fees and the medical expenditures and whatever, my lords.
You are staying where?
5 minutes away from the
Sir, at Bengaluru.
Yes.
5 minutes. Let me make my
You
submission.
are
please.
also at Bengaluru.
We are staying 5 minutes away from each other's house.
And the wife is staying with some family member.
Yes, my lords.
So then where is the question of not permitting him to come?
No,
to
my
the-
lords. I do not deny him the visiting rights. But the thing is, my lords, the thing is, since 7 years, he has not seen the face of the kid.
And you are
Even she didn't, even he has created so much of chaos before that kid in the police station and at the residence of the accused. My lord, since then, the kid has been completely scared of her seeing his face.
scared of.
Yes, kid is, my lords.
Who?
Kid, my lords.
Kid.
Child.
8
So
years
that is
old.
the problem. For that, I sought, with the supervision of the mothers, the visiting rights cannot be, I mean, I'm not denying the visiting rights, my lords.
My lords, this is the pain that I have. If I may please allowed to submit.
And in the
if you-
year 2018, my lords, the maintenance was ordered in the criminal miscellaneous also. I may be permitted to file objections to his main petition, my lords. It is ready.
When you are calling the respondent to your house?
My lords,
When you will call your respondent to your house? Tell the
when-
date.
my lords, if the order is there, order is that, my lords, on alternative Saturdays and Saturdays, I have to give the
Order
visiting.
is of March 23. What happened after till
My lords, after March 23,
you
since,
permitted him, the father, to visit?
my lords, at the mediation, when the matter was referred for mediation, at that point,
You're asking-
yes, my lord, I
you're
allowed.
asking about mediation.
Yes, my lord.
Kindly answer,
Yes.
since the date of the order, that is 10th March 23.
Yes, my lords.
On how many times you permitted? the
Around
father?
6 to 7 times, my lords.
6 to 7.
6 to 7
Where?
times. He has gone to somewhere, which is mall. What is that mall?
My lords, I'm pained by the wrong submission
What
that
is-
have been given.
He actually
We
used to
don't- we don't have-
visit the kid in the mall.
Is a-
Malls, my lords.
Don't ask the questions to the court.
Please. No,
When
I-
did you permit now? Tell us.
no, my lords, I do not have any objections, my lord.
Tell the date he will come to your office.
Please, my lords. On Saturday, this Saturday, fourth Saturday, I am ready. for it.
Saturday. What
Please,
is
my
that date? Ready to go?
Yes, my lords. My lords, and
My
one
lords,
more, my
I'm
lords.
ready with whatever
Since
the court.
7 lakhs of arrears of the maintenance to be ordered, my lords, along with that. I do not have any,
We do not know, we know the direction.
please, my lords. For that, I will file the order copy of that order, this, my lords, in the criminal miscellaneous.
So every second and fourth Saturday of every month. you are
Yes, my lord, I do not have any objections, my lords. I will obey the order of the court.
Then obey the order.
My lords,
Obey the order. Learn it.
yes, my lords, I
Stated.
My lords, one small submission, please, my lord.
Yes.
If you look at my main petition, paragraph number 8 and 9, my learned counsel, he was on the call, which is recorded on the body cam of the police, where he says, Mukano torsak birbadi, translated to don't even show the face of the kid. I've applied for RTA and I've
these are
secured.
all false allegations.
I
what he's
will
making up.
produce it to the court. The court may be pleased to
Proceeding
have
for
it,
the-
my lords.
In the protest proceedings under the Protection of Women for Domestic Violence Act from the Court of Learned Metropolitan Magistrate at Mayo Hall, Bangalore, order is passed on 10th March 23, wherein the respondent is given liberty to visit his daughter, Kumari Nina, in the INDY, at the convenient place and time fixed on every second and fourth Saturday of every month. Learned advocate Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent, for the respondent wife, stated that the complainant may come to the house of wife who is residing at Bengaluru at the address given in the ghost title. At what time?
At 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays.
At 11 a.m.
My lords, may I please request?
At 11 and 17th August 2024, full stop. The wife shall permit the respondent to meet, what do you use? To meet daughter who is stated to be 8-year-old. In her presence as well as in the presence of other family members. If the daughter is desirous to talk and be with the father without anybody's presence, the child shall be accordingly permitted.
My lords, may I please
And my
request?
lords, one more submission, my lords.
May I please request any other place other than the house, my lords? The kid is overly influenced. I have met my kid when my daughter was 1 years and 4 months old. Apart from that, they have allowed me 5 visitations till
So
date.
select a neutral place.
Give me any place, anywhere in Bangalore. I don't have a concern. There's overly influenced by the parents of the respondent here, and my lord. My house is 5 minutes away from her place. I would be pleased if you can allow it in my house, my lord.
To meet some mall, Gopalan.
Yes, my lords.
I have no
I
concern.
do not
my
have
lord.
any objections for that.
At Gopalam Mall at 11 o'clock, full stop. Then same. Then the complainant shall be permitted to meet her daughter, stated to be 8 years old, in presence of the respondent wife. If the daughter is willing to stay with father, the daughter shall be permitted to stay with the father as much as time.
One last submission, my lord.
Maximum to 4 o'clock.
My lord, one last submission. I would appreciate if you lords not allow her family members to be a part of it,
Members are not.
because I'll tell you the reality. What happened is when I went to meet the kid in a
There are no
hotel.
family members.
Yes,
In
please,
whole,
my
there
lord.
is no
Thank you.
family. That's all. Learned
My lord,
advocate.
since
so and
7
so and
years,
so,
he has not paid
as well
single.
as party in person states that they will have lunch together along with the child
Yes, my lord. Much obliged.
and facilitate the interaction accordingly.
My lords,
Take lunch together.
please, my lords.